everyone, and welcome back to our backyard organic garden. And I wanted to share with you today just very quickly how our bitter melon is doing. Bitter melon is a great plant to have in your backyard, so many health benefits. So you can see that we have 2 bitter melon plants, which we have about 20 bitter melons growing, and we've harvested quite a few bitter melons already. So if you can see, these are plump, nice and round, very productive this summer. See another one? So many just dangling, and I'm going to be harvesting some. So what you see mixed in here with the bitter melon is some winter melon, and they grow really nicely together on this trellis that we built. Doesn't have to be fancy. You don't need a big space because these are climbers and they go upwards. So even if you have a small garden or a small spot in your backyard you want to do this, you can absolutely grow bitter melon and winter melon, because as again, you just have to build a trellis for it to climb up, because in Canada we have only a few months to grow. So I like to harvest the leaves and dry them and use them in tea in the winter. Highly recommend growing bitter melon. You don't get the critters, so squirrels and other critters don't like the bitter melon. It does have a really strong taste. It's not for everyone, but we grow it in our garden because there's so many health benefits to the entire plant. So not just the melon that we stir fry. So you can stir fry this with beef, you can stir fry it with egg, put meat inside it and steam it. You can make soup with it. So many ways to cook the melon. You can also use the innards of the bitter melon, and you can steam the innards when they're really ripe. And again, the entire plant can be used. The melon, the stems, the leaves, just no waste, 0 waste on this plant here. Every part you can use and cook with or drink tea or make soup with. See this gorgeous, beautiful melon? We're going to be collecting a whole bunch of these. Just love harvesting organic vegetables in our backyard, fresh and healthy. So rewarding. Love gardening. Just found another big plump one hiding in here, so we're going to also harvest this one today. Beautiful bitter melon. Again, the taste is very bitter, not for everyone, but we love the health benefits of the melon. Such a beautiful plant. See all those bitter melons still growing? We have so many, so productive. Here's another one. Love harvesting. There's another gorgeous one there. So I wanted to just bring you into the inside of my trellis where all my bitter melon and winter melon leaves and vines are climbing up. And it's such a beautiful space here that we have. What a great way to create some shade in your garden and have some beautiful organically grown vegetables right in your backyard to have. So just wanted to show you the bitter melon that I've harvested this morning. Aren't they just beautiful and plump and ready for either you can stir fry them, you can steam them, you can make soup with them. So many ways that you can do it. And just another tip that I wanted to share with you is that we always leave 1 melon or 2 melons to mature on our beautiful bitter melon plant, and then we take the seeds from those, dry it up, and get it ready for next season. We tend to like to keep our own seeds from our garden because we know which ones grow the best and produce the best. So that way it's guaranteed you have a great harvest each season.